what's going on?
Did you order this?
I have no idea what it is, sweetie.
I don't know what it is either. Oh my goodness!
Oh my goodness!
Where did this come from?
Is it a giraffe?
Yeah. Came in this huge box. It got bent. Where did it come from?
It didn't say?
Oh. Well. You what?
What'd you get?
Giraffe, Lisa. Hold it. Don't drop it. Hold it really tight. Don't drop it. It's a giraffe, Lisa. Don't drop it. Don't drop it.
So put it up to the box. Let's see the comparison. So as you can see, it needed a really large box. I think the giraffe shrunk in transit. See again. Read that book. What did it come with? What does it say? Read it.
It just says, thanks for order.
And what's in there? Note cards?
Note cards. Go to Adele Zappazzotti.
It's for your birthday, I bet.
She already did so much for my birthday. I got shoes and money.
Well, what are you going to say to her?
We're still recording. Thanks, Adele. What a fun surprise. Look at what is it? Giraffe. Is it cool?
Yeah.
Yeah. What a fun surprise.